What's up everyone, Jared here with Stay Tall Auto Reviews and welcome to 2025. This is actually my first video of 2025 and it's not a car, it's a toolbox, which is kind of car related. So I wanted to put this out there because when I went to buy this toolbox, it's the Craftsman 1000 series, 2-in-1, you get the chest and you get the rolling cabinets down there. I couldn't find much on this thing. I found a couple of build videos, but I couldn't really find anything specific to this one. And this seems to be a really common one. There are a lot of great deals around the holidays. I got this one just after Christmas time and got a good deal on it, and it does what I need to do. And I'll go ahead and get this out of the way before. I know it's a Craftsman, and some people who are really into toolboxes and all that side of things, they're gonna hate on it. They're gonna put comments about, oh, it's a Craftsman, crappy quality, blah, blah, blah. Go ahead, I don't care. This does what I need to do, and I want to make this for the people who are considering this toolbox. So let's go ahead, get started, talk about it. So getting started, you do have a pretty good bit of space in this thing for it to be not so huge. You get 5 drawers, 3 up top in the chest, 2 on the bottom, and then on the very bottom, which I'll show now, you have a space where you can put all kinds of different things. It kind of slides up. It's a big compartment with tons of room. And then up top, you can also lock it right here. And if you have it unlocked, it's a little space for you to put more stuff, easy to reach stuff. You can also put whatever you want up here. I just left this for now, kind of talking about the toolbox, but I'll probably take it down one day. And then along with that, it comes with a bar, so you can put it here, and then you can lock these up too. That way nobody can get up here at all unless they have the key to get the bar out. So there is security up here, not down here. Next, we'll talk about the quality. I don't think it's that bad. I know it is a cheaper toolbox, but I mean, it's still pretty solid. When I looked, each drawer can hold 30 pounds, and overall, this thing can hold 300 pounds total. So, if you have very heavy tools and you're working on, heavy trucks, all that stuff, this may not be the one for you. But if you're just doing light stuff like oil changes, changing your brakes, stuff like that in your own car, this will be a good one. I see this as a good starter toolbox for people. That's what I'm using it for. And overall, it's been pretty good so far. I'll give you a more in detail, closer look in just a second. And let's just get a full view of it so you can see it. All right, so getting started with showing it off, I want to go from the top to the bottom just so you can see real quick. Down here, it is 26.5 inches wide, so that's what we're working with down there. And then just want to note, this is an add-on. This didn't come with it, but I did add it from Harbor Freight, and it does a pretty good job. It's magnetic, so if you want that, you can add that too. But let's go ahead, take a look. So starting up top, this is the chest. You can see you have your keys right here that it comes with. Lift it up, and I have nothing special in here. It's kind of just a random assortment. So for anybody that's like judging what I have in there, there's nothing great. So here's what we got up here. And then we'll just close that. Here's some of the drawers. I have, like I said, not a whole lot. I'm still building up everything I got, so this is new. But you'll see, like, they're pretty good. Not terrible. There's a little play, but not bad. And then we'll also open this one. This one is the one I just opened. One more up, my bad. So you have that one. Closing this. Then we'll go down here. This is where you have more room, so you'll see I actually have some stuff in there. Like I said, it's really random, not assorted yet, but this is what it's like. Holds up pretty well. Go down here, and then this one right here, it's a bit interesting at first. You gotta do this up, and then you'll see you got this space, and I just have a bunch of stuff in there too. Not really assorted yet, but that's what we're working with down here. And then you can just hear the metal. That's what it sounds like. I don't think it's the worst material. I know it gets a lot of hate for, oh, it's not the best quality, blah, 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 blah. I get that, but this is not no high dollar toolbox. This is a budget friendly toolbox, especially when it's on sale. Good for beginners and good for light amount of tools. So overall, if you're getting this, I would definitely recommend giving it a shot. You're gonna see the reviews from the people, like I said, hating, but don't listen to them. Give it a shot. If you don't like it, you can always return it. Assembly's super easy. It pretty much just comes together in one box. You just put the wheels on, put your liner in it, you're good to go. The chest does screw onto the top, so you have that too. And that's pretty much it. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped out. If I can find an Amazon link, I'll put it in the description. It's gonna be an affiliate link, just a heads up. But if you do wanna buy it through my link, you can. If not, I totally get it. You'll probably find a sale somewhere and it'll probably be better than Amazon, who knows? But it will be there. Hopefully this helps somebody. If you have any questions, let me know. I can answer. Hopefully I covered a good bit in this video, but you know, the first time doing a Toolbox review, so definitely new to me. But until the next video, I'll see you guys. Peace out.